Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gear. Today, we're diving into the Blackmagic designed Pocket Cinema Camera 4K bundle, a powerhouse for filmmakers and content creators alike. Let's jump right in. Alright folks, let's talk about what makes this bundle truly special. First off, we've got the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K itself. This compact beast boasts a 4/3 image sensor with a stunning 4096 by 2160 resolution, giving you the ability to capture Hollywood-quality footage right in the palm of your hand. Now, what's really impressive about this camera is its versatility. Whether you're shooting feature films, documentaries, or even vlogs, the Pocket Cinema Camera 4K delivers professional-grade features at an affordable price point. You'll experience deeper colors, higher image detail, and a wider dynamic range, giving your footage that coveted Hollywood look. But wait, there's more. The design of this camera is truly elegant, with a lightweight carbon fiber polycarbonate composite construction that's both durable and ergonomic. Plus, with all the essential controls conveniently located on the multifunction hand grip, you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about what's included in this bundle. You'll get a 64GB SanDisk Extreme Pro memory card, an LPE6 battery with a rapid charger, a memory card reader, and even Corel photo software to take your editing game to the next level. And that's not all. We've also got a deluxe soft case, a flex tripod, a lens cap keeper, and a whole bunch of other goodies to complete your filmmaking setup. To sum it up, the Blackmagic designed Pocket Cinema Camera 4K bundle is a game-changer for filmmakers of all levels. With its incredible image quality, professional features, and comprehensive accessory package, it's a must-have for anyone serious about their craft. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech gear. Until next time, happy filming!